Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The clear knowledge of our mudra is both great and small. A radiance that is good is delicious. Our throats are thin, our lower parts are great, our teeth are good, our speech is pleasant. In a purity that was not made by anyone else, we impart empowerment, great blessings, and we explain the Dharma. The empowerment we impart and its instructions are well absorbed. Signs will appear that the Dharma we are teaching is perfect in its parts. Then we surely do join up with those who keep to the four mudras. Those who have the signs immerse themselves in the inhaling and exhaling of the breath. This is a taste of our congenital desire. Those who wish to attain self-originating happiness do not themselves understand supreme bliss. It is like a king and the news about him. Our self-originating reward does not change. It is like the fruit of the bimbara plant. In this way, we use signs to cleanse our spirits. Then we see the meaning of reality clearly. We traverse the levels and study the paths. As we join together, we attain what goes with a Vajra reward. The entire welfare of living things, with nothing excepted, is spontaneously realized. We dwell within the experience of the spontaneously realized three bodies, and we work toward the perfection of the welfare of both ourselves and others. This is our reward for having nothing to take up or put down. We use the causes and results of our dominion and our wisdom for the blessings of the samadhi of light, their numbers and stages. These are not certain. We explain that our playfulness is self-arising, but that this is an understanding that uses a measure for what it takes in. This is not a reward for having nothing to take up or to put down. With our exaggerations and appreciations, we fall onto the paths of signs. We experience no realization, yet we attribute this to be a realization. For something that is non-dual, we accept that there is duality. We are born due to a cause. On the level of self-originating, we must strive for the experience of spontaneous realization. For the experience of the uncontrived, we contrive a clinging at duality.